XGWR Kerr Stuart Victory 2302. The powerful Kerr Stuart Victory locomotives were manufactured in 1917 for the Inland Waterways and Docks Department, with 10 of them in total being produced. 2302, along with 3 others, were inherited by the GWR and then into BR ownership. 2302 is the only locomotive of its type to be preserved. 2302 worked on the Brecon and Merthyr Railway before being sold to the GWR for work in the Granville Colliery in Shropshire. 2302, or affectionately named as the Granville Monster, worked until the closure of the colliery in 1979. The locomotive itself was given to the Shropshire Council to incorporate into the new play area at proposed Granville Nature Reserve, so the locomotive was loaned to Bliss Hill Victorian Town while the colliery was being transformed. Sadly, 2302 was never incorporated into the plans, and in the end spent 25 years as an open-air exhibit at Bliss Hill. In 2005, the chairman from the SNPSR visited the locomotive, and after 3 strenuous years of negotiation with the local council, 2302 was bought and moved to the Kiln Line, with overhaul to start in earnest. After a few years of fundraising, hard work and graft, 2302 was the first locomotive to be fully overhauled by the team at the Kiln Line, and it steamed out of the shed for the first time in April 2011, and is now the most powerful locomotive on the railway and often used for goods charters and passenger services.